What is up, you guys? It's your girl Deja D. Excuse the grass cutting outside, okay? You can't help the player. You hate the game, okay? I don't think you all can hear it. Anyways, every time I say please excuse this noise, please excuse that noise, please excuse this noise, you can't even hear it. I can't even hear it when I'm editing. So whether or not you hear it or not, excuse it. Okay. So without further ado, by the title of this video, you kind of already know what's about to go down. You all loved my last rainbow haul, so your girl had to go drop another coin, drop another bag for you all, so you all can see these new pieces that I got. I loved some of these new pieces that I got. Well, not I love some. I love these new pieces that I got, starting off with what I actually have on. But before we get into the video, make sure you all are subscribed to this channel. Let's get to 15. Let's get to 1,500 subscribers, okay guys? Can we do that before the end of the year? Can we do that before the end of the year? I think we're at 13 right now. We need to get to 15 by the end of the year. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll leave my last rainbow haul up in the cards as well as at the end of this video. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and let's just hop into these pieces. I will be telling you all my sizes as well as the price. If I don't mention it, I definitely will have it up on the screen for you all, but I'm pretty sure I know all the prices because I don't have that many pieces, so I could tell you all the prices. Okay. So first we're going to start off with this top that I have on. I don't know if this is a jacket. I don't know if it's a top, but I like it as a top. I'm going to show you all. It's going to be on the side of me somewhere of me actually showing you all the outfit and everything that I paired with it. But it is this like this creamish colored top. I love that it's cream because it makes it able for me to wear it in the fall. I don't feel weird because you know sometimes when you're wearing white stuff in the fall, it's like, girl, Labor Day, it's like, girl, mind your business, okay? I can wear what I want to wear when I buy it, okay? So I have this jacket. I love it because I can wear it in the summer, spring, fall, winter. It's super cute. I like it as a top. I just love it. I have it unbuttoned right now. Got this little necklace on with it. I just feel so chic. I love how it's a little oversized. It's just so cute, and it's like cropped in the right spot. It just is it's giving, okay? It's giving what needs to be gave. And I'm sorry from showing off my nails. I really like the color. I like the way it looks with my hair. I like the way it looks with the outfit. I just feel like I look like a gajillion dollars right now. You know, Betty on a budget in this rainbow haul, okay? And y'all already know your girl got this off the clearance section. The what? The who? The where? The when? The why? The clearance. Okay, your girl got this off the clearance section. I told you all in my last video, and I'm gonna tell you all again. I love going to Rainbow and hitting up that clearance section. You guys can find some good pieces. Now it is a little big on me right here, but ain't nothing to it but to do it. I don't really mind that it's a little big because you could kind of put it like this, but I don't mind that it's a little big. It was $12. I really like this. If they had it in an extra large, I probably would like it a little bit more, but this is a 1X. I actually like this a lot. I don't mind that the sleeves are too big a little bit. It just kind of it makes me feel like Rihanna. You know, Rihanna likes to wear stuff like this. It makes me feel very Rihanna-esque right now, very Fenty-esque. It's very cute. Love the big pockets on it. I really like this top. It was $12 and I got it in a size 1X. So let me know. Let's do an actual rating system. 1 out of 10. I believe I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 items. So number 1 is this top. Rated 1 out of 10 in the comment section. And depending on how this video do, I might do a little giveaway. Giving away some Deja's Daily Dose merch. Okay, so the next item that I have is this accessory. I seen it online, but I don't know if y'all, I told you all this in my last video. I prefer to shop on Rainbow in the stores because a lot of times the stuff they might have online is not in the stores and vice versa. So it's like pros and cons, but I like going in the store because I like to actually see it. Like if other clothing brands had stores, I would prefer to go in store like Shein, Fashion Nova, things like that. I prefer to go in the store to shop sometimes, depending on what it is. Rainbow is one of those stores that I like to go in store, because sometimes the stuff that's online is in clearance on the store, and sometimes the stuff that's, because I think it's probably because I like to shop on the clearance section, and a lot of times the clearance sections don't be the same online as they are in the store. I don't know, I just be finding some really good stuff on the clearance in the store, especially because of where I live at. Rainbow's over here, they popping, baby, okay, they popping. But next I have this belt. This wasn't clearance, but it was $5.99. This is a plus size belt, so it's good for thicker girls. Now me personally, I do not like to wear knockoff name brand things. Like, for example, if you know how they have sweatpants and they might have 5 stripes on them or 2 stripes on them, it's giving Adidas. I'd rather get sweatpants with no stripes than to get fake Adidas sweatpants, if that makes sense. Like, that applies to anything. So this does have a lion on it, and it's giving very fake Versace. I would like it better if it was just a gold chain, but I don't know. The way they had this one, I took this off the mannequin actually. She had a sweater dress on, and when I bought it, I just wasn't thinking. I was just like, oh, this is a cute little chain belt. I've been wanting a chain belt, $5 bet. But it wasn't until I got home that I realized, like, oh, it's giving fake Versace. But nonetheless, I'm still gonna wear it because I got it and I like it. So as long as I ain't trying to tag no Versace in there, y'all better not say nothing to me, okay? But I just wanted to let that be known that it is like giving a very dupe of Versace. But I personally don't like to wear things that ain't real. Like, if I can't get it, I'm just not gonna wear it. Just my mindset. So don't forget to rate this 1 out of 10. I'm gonna give this like a 9 because I don't like that it's giving fake Versace. But other than that, it's so cute, okay? Don't hate the player, hate the game. Don't hate the player, hate the game, okay? Next up, we have these scrunched up pants. What size are these? These are size large, and they're just these fall green scrunched up pants. I love the way they fit me. They're really, really good. They are a size large, so you know, it's cute. I don't know what else to say about these. I love the fall color. I love that they're super scrunchy. I've had these pants for a minute actually. I just wanted to throw them in the haul because I have so much rainbow stuff that you all probably never seen. So every rainbow video, I'm gonna probably like grab an item out my closet and just add it to the haul. So these are those. I don't know how much these cost because, like I said, I had them for a minute, but I did get them from Rainbow, and they just scrunch all the way down. You all see how I'm styling them to the side. Cute, cute, cute. I like that you could dress these up and dress them down. They're really, really cool. I love them for the summer, fall, winter, spring, but I just thought it was really cute to add into the fall because they are that olive green, and I think you all can hear the grass getting cut outside now because it's kind of loud. But nonetheless, rate these in the bottom. I'll give these about 9.5 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. I had them for a minute, so that's why they're kind of tight, but I still give them like a 10 because they're still cute. Okay, so next up I have these shoes. Like I said, I'm not telling y'all my shoe size unless you buy me some shoes, but just know your girl got a kind of bigger foot. But this is the brand. I think it's Rouge. I think it's Rouge, because when you put a vowel, 2 vowels, the first vowel says its name, so it's Rouge, okay? Your girl can read, period. It's like, nah, but I've seen these boots all over the Instagram page, so I was like, oh, they see me in these, they gonna post me, promo. But I do like these boots. The heel is not super high, and I also needed like a brown boot. Only brown boot that I have is like my Uggs. So I was like, oh, these be cute. You know, the outfits that I have like more neutral colors and things, because all I really have is like black heels. That's pretty much it. Black booties. That's pretty much it. So I was like, let me get a brown one. And these are very warm tones, so I think these would be really, really cute. Now, one thing I do wish that these boots did more was hug onto the ankle to provide a more like skinnier foot action, because people who have smaller ankles, they kind of like do this, like your ankle's kind of like this. You always see when I show the video, but it's kind of like this. So this zipper does not move, which is kind of good because, you know, you want to keep that look. You don't want to have to worry about the outside of your shoe. There is a zipper on this side. This is the functioning zipper. but it's suede on the top, leather in the back. I really love these, and these were $29.99. So I think that's a really good price, $30 for these boots. They're very comfortable because the heel is not that tall. This is probably about 3 inches. So these are good, nice and wide, so if you have a wider foot. And yeah, also if you have a bigger ankle, that's good for you too. My favorite part is this part. I wish they had something that was all that. I like the 2 textures though, but I wish they had something that was like all this print. That really would have sold me. Oh, but rate these in the comments. I'll give these about an 8 or a 9 out of 10 just because I wish they fit my ankle a lot tighter. That would be super cute. So this last item I'm about to show is actually like my second favorite item. My first favorite item is this top that I showed you all. This is my second favorite. So I've been looking for actually a leather dress. Like you all know the leather dresses like buttons all the way down. It's just really cute to me. I love that blazer style dress. I've seen a few on Shein. If this video gets enough views and everything like that, then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a part 2 to my Shein haul that I did before. I leave that linked up in the cards. But yeah, I've seen a few things on Shein that I wanted to go ahead and pick up, so I'll do that for you all. If you all, you know, show some love, show some love, show some love. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. But I've been wanting a leather dress like that, and I also seen a few leather skirts. So I seen this leather skirt at Rainbow, and I got this for $10. So this was a size 1X. This is another thing that I kind of wish they had, like an extra large. I wish I kind of got this a size smaller, but then again, I like this size, so it's kind of like certain things on it I want smaller, but I'm kind of cool with it. But it's this leather, well, pleather, it's pleather, and it has these pockets, and it's this drawstring. It's like that paper bag waistband, and I really like it. It's stretchy. It's just really cute, and I think it'll look really cute with a bunch of different things, like some tennis shoes, like my well, when I say tennis shoes, I have a few like tennis shoes, but I'm like very girly, so my tennis shoes be like platform Converse. They be like really girly looking shoes. So like my platform Converse will look really cute with this and a graphic tee and stuff. This will also look cute with my leather boots. This will also, I have thigh-high leather boots. This will also look cute with my leather buoys with this like silver chain that I got. I'm not sure how I'm going to style it yet. I have a few things on my bed that I had in mind. But nonetheless, I do think this is a really versatile skirt. It's great for the fall, great for the winter time. Because it has that leather material, it gives off a very warmer look. Not sure how it'll look in the summer and the spring. Don't think I'm gonna pull it out for that time of the year. But I've been wanting to get like a more wintry style skirt that I could wear now, like days that I want to wear those dresses. But it's like, like girl, you want to pull out one of your summer dresses. But it's super cute, can be dressed up, dressed down, and I really like this skirt. So I rate this about a 9.5 out of 10. Like I said, certain parts of it I wish fit a little different, but for $10, girl, that is cute. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed part 2, well no, part 3, because I've been doing Rainbow hauls. Rainbow posted me on their website as well as on their Instagram, so y'all, the sponsorship's coming up soon. I'm speaking it to existence, okay? And I just want to say thank you all so much for all the love that I've been receiving on my last Rainbow video. I hope it transpires over here into my other videos as well. Thank you all for all my new subscribers. Welcome. My name is Deja D. And I love you all, and I'll see you all in the next one. Be sure to cut the post notification bells on so you'll know every time I upload. And if you want another Rainbow video, let your girl know in the comments and show some love. And I'll be sure to do it for you. You all show the love. I got to keep on producing what you all want to see. If not, cut the cameras. All right.